So it's mid-January here in Southern California, and today it's breezy and about 85 degrees. I figure this is perfect weather for us to do a fan demonstration. So here we go. Hey everyone, this is my Sears Kenmore model number 758-808-72 14-inch box fan. And if you're thinking you've seen this fan before, well, it's because you have, because I filmed it 2 years ago nearly. At any rate, all the details about this fan are in that video, and this is just a revisit of it. So what we're going to do now is take a look at this fan, and I'll show you the side here, and the back, and we'll turn this fan back around. Now this thing has been serviced and cleaned up since I last videoed it, and it really needed it more than it appeared in that previous video. The motor was extremely gummed up with old oil residue, and it was quite dusty inside. But it runs a lot better now after having been cleaned and serviced, as we will show you now. And we'll start this demonstration off on high. And we'll go down to Woolsey. And we'll put it back up to high. And off to show the coasting. So as soon as this fan comes to a stop, we're going to do a quick demonstration of the startup sound for you. So here's startup on high. And startup on low. So with that, I'll conclude this video. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this vintage Sears get put through its paces. Thank you for watching, and of course, we will have more to come. So please be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Later.